Friends, today our topic is methods of sterilization of process. The definition of sterilization is making a substance free from all microorganisms, both in vegetative and sporing states. Spore is a reproductive structure that is adapted for dispersal and surviving for extended periods of time in unfavorable conditions. Spores form part of life cycles of many bacteria, plants, algae, fungi, and some protozoa. Cla- Classification. In this classification of sterilization, physical and chemical. In these, physical are sunlight, drying, and heat. Under heat, there are two heats: dry heat, flaming, incineration, and hot air. Under moist heat, pasteurization, boiling, steam. Under pressure, filtration, candles, asbestosis pads, membranous, radiation, ultrasonic and sonic vibrations. Under chemical agents, alcohol, ethyl, isopropyl, trienal aldehydes, formaldehyde, glutaraldehyde, dyes, halogens, phenols, surface active agents, metallic salts, gaseous, ethylene oxide, formaldehyde, beta propiolactone. Heat related methods. Dry heat sterilization. Moisture is essential for growth of bacteria. Dry heat sterilization involves heating at atmospheric pressure. Heat at 180 degrees Celsius for half hour, 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, or 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Times are the periods during which object is maintained at the respective temperature. Hot air ovens or electrical devices used in sterilization. The oven uses dry heat to sterilize articles. Generally, they can be operated from 50 to 300 degrees Celsius and 120 to 572 Fahrenheit. There is a thermostat controlling the temperature. This is the most widely used method of sterilization by dry heat items: glassware, forceps, scissors, scalpels, fats, grease, liquid paraffin, dusting, and powder. Dry heat. Under dry heat, there are the four: red heat, flaming, inclination, hot air oven. Red heat. Material are held in the flame of Bunsen burner till they become red hot, inoculating wires or loops, tips of forceps and needles. Flaming. Material are passed through the flame of Bunsen burner without allowing them to become red hot. Glass slides and scalpels, mouth of cultural tubes. Sunlight. Active germicidal effects due to its content of ultraviolet rays. Natural methods of sterilization of water in tanks, rivers, and lakes. Incineration. Materials are reduced to ashes. Instrument used was incinerator, solid dressing, animal carcasses, bedding, pathological material. Hot air oven. Electrically heated and fitted with the fan to even distribution of air in the chamber. Fitted with a thermostat that maintains the chamber air at a chosen temperature and time: 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours, 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Glassware like glass syringes, petri dishes, pipettes, and test tubes. Surgical instruments like scalpels, scissors, forceps, and chemicals like liquid paraffin, fats, etc. can be sterilized. Heat related methods. Second one: moist heat. Pasteurization below 100 degrees Celsius, developed by Louis Pasteur to prevent the spoilage of beverages used to reduce microbes responsible for spoilage of beer, milk, wine, juices, etc. used for milk, ice cream, yogurt, and fruit juices. Heat tolerant microbes survive batch method temperature below 100 degrees Celsius. Pasteurization of milk. Milk was exposed to 65 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. High temperature, short time pasteurization used today. Milk is exposed to 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Temperature at 100 degrees Celsius. Boiling for 10 to 30 minutes. Mm. Boiling for 10 to 30 minutes may kill most of vegetative forms, but spores withstand boiling. Tyndallization. Steam at 100 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes on 3 successive days. This method is used for media containing sugar, egg serum, and sugar containing media. The principle is that the first exposure kills all vegetative bacteria. The spores, since they are in a favorable medium, will germinate and killed on subsequent exposure to 100 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. This method is not suitable for certain anaerobes and thermophiles. Steam sterilization. Steam at 100 degrees Celsius for 90 minutes used for media which are decomposed at high temperature. Temperature above 100 degrees Celsius. Autoclave. Steam above 100 degrees Celsius has better killing power than dry heat. Bacteria are most susceptible to moist heat. Components of autoclave consist of vertical or horizontal cylinder of gunmetal or stainless steel. Lid is fastened by screw clamps and rendered airtight by an asbestosis washer. Lead bearers a discharge tap for air and steam, a pressure gauge, and a safety valve. Moist heat sterilization involves the uses of steam in the range of 121 degrees Celsius to 134 degrees Celsius. Steam under pressure is used to generate high temperature needed for sterilization. Saturation steam active as an effective sterilizing agent. Autoclaves are pressured steam to destroy microorganisms and are the most dependable systems available for the decontamination of laboratory waste and sterilization of laboratory glassware, media, and rearrangements. For efficient heat transfer, steam must flush the air out of the autoclave chamber. Generally, the conditions employed are temperature up to 121 to 131 degrees centigrade for 50 to 20 minutes under 15 lbs pressure based on type of material used. Autoclave. This is the picture of autoclave. Sterilization condition: temperature 121 degrees Celsius, chamber pressure 115 lb, pressure square inch, holding time 15 minutes. Others: 121 minus 121 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, minus 133 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Uses of autoclaves: useful for material which cannot withstand high temperature to sterilize culture media, rubber material, grounds, dressing, gloves, etc. Radiation sterilization. Many types of radiation are used for sterilization, like electromagnetic radiation, gamma rays, and UV rays. Particulate radiation, accelerated electrons. The major target for this radiation is microbial DNA, that is ionized of nucleic acids. Radiation sterilization with high energy gamma rays or accelerated electrons has proven to be a useful method for industrial sterilization of heat sensitive products. Radiation sterilization is generally applied to articles in the dry state, including surgical instruments, sutures, prostheses, unit dose ointments, plastic syringes, and dry pharmaceutical products. UV light, with its much lower energy and poor penetrability, finds uses in the sterilization of air for surface sterilization of antiseptic work. Areas for treatment of manufacturing grade water, but is not suitable for sterilization of pharmaceutical dose forms. Sterilization by filtration. Filtration sterilizations are used in the treatment of heat sensitive injections and ophthalmic solutions, biological products, and other gases for supply to aseptic areas. They are also used in industry as part of the venting system on fermenters, centrifugers, autoclaves, and freeze dryers. Membrane filters are used for stability testing. Filtration processes does not destroy but removes the microorganisms. It is used for both the clarification and sterilization of liquid and gases, as it is capable of preventing the passage of both viable and non-viable particles. The major mechanism of filtration are sieving, adsorption, and trapping within the matrix of the filter material. Filtration helps to remove bacteria from heat label liquids, items, sera, and solution of sugar or antibiotics principle. As virus pass through the ordinary filters, filters can be used to obtain bacteria free filters of clinical sample. This is the picture of laminar airflow chamber. Types of filters: candle filter, asbestosis disc filter, sintered glass filters, membrane filters, air filters, syringe filters. HEPA filters are critically in the prevention of spread of airborne bacterial and viral organism and therefore infection. Typically medical use HEPA filter system also incorporate high energy ultraviolet light units to kill off the live bacteria and viruses trapped by the filter media. Industrial HEPA filters are high efficiency particle air filters, are an essential part of the pharmaceutical and healthcare industry, having pore size of 0.3 microns. This is the picture of HEPA filters in biological flow safety cabinets. Gaseous sterilization is a use for sterilizing thermobile substances like hormones, proteins, various heat sensitive drugs, etc. Gaseous sterilization may be defined as the destruction of all living microorganisms with the gaseous